I'm here at the Sun River Valley Food Bank, where this Saturday from 4 to 6, people of the community can come to their open house to see the staples and other kind of food that are going to be available for the community soon.
The Friends of the Sun River Valley have been supporting the area for 25 years, but the need has grown.
And over COVID, it became very apparent we were needing to do a little bit more than once a year. Food instability is all year round, not just at the holidays. And so we started doing emergency food boxes.
Weekly food bank hours started earlier this year.
And so we've been doing that since March, but we are officially in the new building as of this week. So we will have our grand opening on Saturday from 4 to 6 and hope that everybody can come and see all the hard work of all the contractors and all their donations and everything to put this together. It's been a real group effort for sure.
Now located next to the fire department, the food bank has had huge support from the community.
It has been completely by donation. We've had to buy a couple materials, but we have had, like you said, Kindred Plumbing did heating and cooling system because our building has to stay between 50 and 70 degrees. Hopa Mountain, it donated 2 appliances to us. Community members have donated the shelving.
They've also received support from other contractors and food banks. Now they are looking to keep it going.
So the community, it would be amazing if, one, we could get donations of food. We have noticed a trend this year that not everybody can give up their groceries. Groceries are really expensive, and we have not had a lot of food donations.
The impact has been huge.
We do have 35 families now. That includes 38 children, 23 seniors, and we're giving out around 3,000 to 4,000 pounds of food a month.
An upcoming event may just help.
We have been blessed to be the recipient of Jordan's Pumpkins for a Cause this year. It's an amazing organization where you can come and pick out your pumpkin, take a hayride, get some popcorn, and all of the Goodwill donations will go to the Sun River Valley Food Bank.
The new food bank shows lots of promise for the future. In Sun River, I'm James Rowland, MTN News.